Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of a UGreen 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD enclosure. This is a 3.1 Gen 2 up to 6 gigabits per second. So let's open up this bad boy. UGreen has a good name. Connectors and all kinds of stuff. Adapters. Instructions, I will read it after. Cable. It's going to be USB-C. USB-C to USB-A. Here's the enclosure. Nice design. Well, let's install the drive. Okay, here's a SSD I'm installing in this enclosure. It's a 1 terabyte SSD, and this is a toolless installation. Put it over. Done. Hook this up to the USB-C connector. Now my backup drive is done. Now one thing I want to talk about drives, just real quick here. Hard drives, I do not trust hard drives. They have a huge failure rate. I now have 4 external SSDs for backing up my data, especially photos. The photos are very, very important to everyone. And when you're backing up your photos, you want it backed up to something that's very reliable and safe. And SSDs are the way to go. The failure rate is far lower. Like, they do fail, but you can't compare them to the failure rate of hard drives. There's so many moving parts in a hard drive. So SSD is the way to go for backing up, in my opinion. So let's plug this in the computer. Okay, so let's plug this into my computer. The drive is already formatted. I formatted it beforehand. So plug in the computer. Now I'm ready to store photos. And how I back up my data is I drag the files and drop them onto the destination drive. That's the easiest way. And once again, going back to photos, if you're storing photos and you don't want to lose them, don't put them on a hard drive. Put them on an SSD. You won't be sorry. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to my best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.